Tornado warning! Tornado warning! Tornado warning! Yeah! My first ES tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Harrison County in southern Mississippi, northeastern Hancock County in southern Mississippi, until 5:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:58 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Bay St. Louis, moving northwest at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Shoreline Park around 5:10 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Diamond at around 5:20 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Kiln around 5:25 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Mississippi: Hancock and Harrison,